Chef David Rose back at it with the next steps for our stout braised lamb shank. And a lamb shank of such beauty deserves some quality size. And what I'm doing today is I'm doing some Swiss chard. We're gonna saute that off, and it's a great substitute for spinach. It's high in fiber, vitamin K, and it's good for the heart. I don't know about you, but I could use as much help as I can in that regards. So what we're gonna start out first is we're gonna utilize, once again, the Vulcan Versatile Chef Station and hit that with a little bit of olive oil. From there, I'm gonna add some garlic. Again, you want to hear that sizzle. That sizzle is a good sound. That sizzle is a thing of beauty. And a little bit of shallot. And from there, we're not looking for deep caramelization, just for a little translucency and to kind of give off the fragrance and nuttiness of the shallot and the garlic. From there, we add our greens. Smelling good already. Pinch of crushed red pepper. Pinch of salt. And black pepper. You want to be very careful for the garlic not to get burnt, because burnt garlic is very unpleasant. So if you need more oil, add it in there. And the entire time, you're sauteing and incorporating that salt, that pepper, that garlic, that shallot into making delicious greens. I think I'm gonna turn it down some here. So you get the same kind of flavors that are familiar to your spinach, a little bit earthier, a little bit heartier, and you get that nice red hue from the center of the Swiss chard. So once the chard begins to break down, we wanna add a savory note with the utilization of a little bit of chicken stock. It's gonna act to break down the chard even more and add some nice savoriness, a little bit of umami, and just overall good flavor. Looking good, smelling good. This is gonna pair very well with our lamb shanks. All right, so once the chicken stock begins to reduce down and our greens are nice and tender, we are good to go. There you have it. Delicious tender greens, a little bit of chicken stock, the garlic, the shallot, and that little hint of heat from the crushed red pepper. This is going to go so well with our lamb shank. But hold on, not yet. We got one more side, so stay tuned for the next step in our chef series featuring the stout braised lamb shank. It's gonna be a good one.